Okay, time to install Metamask. So first we need to type the right address, metamask.io, and never search for a Metamask on Google or Bing or whatever, because it has a lot of fake links, and it is also in the sponsored links. So yeah, really look out for that. And then we click on download for Chrome. Yes, and add to Chrome. This is Danish, but it says added, install. Yes, installing right now, and gets ready. I agree. And it has two questions. Do you have like a seed phrase? Do you have an earlier wallet, or do you need to make a new wallet? We want to make a new wallet. And 8, we need to do minimum 8. Okay. I agree. I say make the wallets. Yeah, so it has some videos, guidelines. We just click next. This is the secret recovery phrase. Very secret. Do not tell anyone, and store at a safe place, right? So, and copy paste it so you have it, because we'll need it on the next page. I've not done the copy paste, but you need to insert these words. You just sit back and then remind me later, right? Okay. So here we have the overview of Metamask. This is how many Ethereum you have. You can see the activity here, and you can send it to a new wallet. First thing first, we need to click this upper right corner and then click the pin bottom. Here you will see that it adds Metamask to your Google Chrome browser. So here we can close this window. And now let's check out the wallets. I find it very good to give it a name, right? Here it just has the name like account one. It could be that we want to change it, so we click these 3 dots and then account informations. Click here and then my first wallet data and click. If you want to make a new wallet, we click here and make a new wallet, and my second wallet, and open. Voila. So if you click here, you will see your first 2 wallets that you made, and you can just keep on doing more wallets, right? And we want to shift to our first wallet. Voila. Up here, the 3 dots again. Let's see the wallet on Etherscan. Voila. You see the address and how much you have, and then also the transactions. We go up to Metamask again. We can also see the activity here. And go back here. If you want to see your account information, you can see them here, and you can export your private key if you want to use it on another device. Or yes, that's basically it. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. Bye.